Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Vinology and today we will talk about the top 5 Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G smartphones you can buy right now. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First up, we will start with the latest flavor of the month, the Realme 7 Pro. It's the latest addition to the Realme lineup of budget phones as it has been for quite some time now with the Realme 6 and so on. The phone has an AMOLED display for the price. That's actually impressive. It starts at 19,999 INR, which is a bit more than the competition, but again it has an AMOLED display and people who want one would be ready to pay the premium. This is probably Redmi's most reputed phone in the budget segment. It has a huge 6.67 inch, albeit an LCD panel, a huge 5000 mAh battery, 33W fast charging and whatnot. It has a 64 megapixel camera, but right now this phone is a bit old as new phones are being released almost every month. This phone is still one of the best feature packed smartphones out there. If you need a phone immediately, then this is the one to go for. Well, this is just a rebranded Redmi Note 9 Pro. However, you get the Poco experience. It has no ads whatsoever, so that's something which we can value from this phone. Even if it's a rebranded phone, it removes the biggest annoyance in the MIUI, and that's the ads. Also, it has more options too, where it starts with the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, which is awesome. It's basically a Redmi Note 9 Pro without ads, and that's fantastic. In this list, Vivo is the most premium of all. It has the same 6.44-inch AMOLED screen from the Realme 7 Pro. Also, I feel it's a bit overpriced comparatively, but it's there so I have to mention it. Also, it's much lighter than every other phone here in this list and much thinner too. So if having a lightweight phone is a priority, this is the one to go for. Also, Vivo can shoot 4K on the front camera too, which is great for people who want to vlog on this phone. This might probably be the most affordable offering here in this list. The base variant comes with the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage combination, and I think it has no competition for the price it offers. However, even though the combination is very lucrative, the brand is new, the series is new. Not that new brands or phone series are bad, so I am a bit skeptical about recommending this. However, you can always watch reviews on YouTube to know more about the device. So that's it guys, those were the top 5 Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G smartphones you can buy right now. The links are given in the description, so if you do decide to buy it and you do that from the given affiliate links, I will get a bit of a commission. You can help the channel in that way. Do like the video if you think it deserves one and get subscribed so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.